So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your laptop is not able to find other displays, or it is not able to scan any other displays. For example, if I go to the display settings and if I go to the display settings and check if any other display is available for me right there, and you'll see if I go to advanced display, here it says only display one. That means there's no other display. Now, in order to fix that issue, all you need to do is first of all give a restart to your computer. If that doesn't solve your problem, just simply go to this option of drivers. Just right click on the start menu, click on device manager, and here in the display adapters, make sure that both of the display adapters are updated just by right clicking over there. Hit update drivers. Same goes for monitors as well, and hit it for update drivers, and just simply hit on this option that says scan for hardware changes. What it does is simply analyze if any another hardware is connected to your computer. Hit that and it will refresh the list, and you'll definitely find the solution for your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.